This video covers VLC Media Player versus KMPlayer. Choosing the right media player can completely change how you enjoy videos and music without compatibility issues. Both offer unique features and performance benefits worth exploring. VLC Media Player and KMPlayer are two popular media players with strong followings. The core difference lies in VLC's open source versatility and KMPlayer's focus on advanced features and customization. Understanding these distinctions helps pick the best fit for your needs. VLC Media Player is a free open source media player developed by the Videoland project. It supports nearly every audio and video format without needing additional codecs, making it highly versatile. VLC works by decoding media files directly, ensuring smooth playback across platforms including Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile. Its strengths include a simple interface, wide format compatibility, subtitle support, and streaming capabilities. VLC also offers advanced features like video filters, audio equalizers, and playback speed control. However, its interface is minimalistic and may lack some of the polish and customization options found in other players. Ideal users are those who want a reliable, lightweight player that plays almost any media file out of the box without complex setup or resource-heavy performance. KPlayer is a feature-rich media player designed to handle high-quality video playback with extensive customization. It supports a wide range of formats and codecs, including 3D and 4K videos, making it suitable for users with advanced media needs. KPlayer offers a sleek modern interface with options for skinning, subtitle management, and detailed playback controls. It also includes features like video capture, VR support, and integration with online video sources. While KMPlayer provides more visual customization and advanced playback options than VLC, it can be heavier on system resources and sometimes includes bundled software during installation. This player is ideal for users who want a visually appealing interface and advanced control over playback settings, especially for high-resolution or specialized video formats. Comparing VLC Media Player and KMPlayer highlights distinct advantages. VLC excels in lightweight performance and universal compatibility, perfect for users needing a straightforward player that handles almost any file without fuss. KPlayer shines with its modern interface and advanced features like 3D and VR playback, appealing to power users focused on customization and high-quality video experiences. However, KMPlayer's heavier system demands may slow down older devices, while VLC's simpler interface may feel basic to those wanting more control. For casual viewing and broad format support, VLC is the practical choice. For immersive media playback with extra features, KMPlayer stands out despite its resource usage. VLC Media Player is recommended for users seeking a reliable, lightweight, and codec-friendly player that works seamlessly across all platforms with minimal setup. KPlayer is the better choice for those who prioritize advanced features, customization, and high-resolution video playback. It offers a rich media experience with modern tools, making it ideal for enthusiasts wanting more control over their viewing. Choose based on your media needs and device capability.